Hi, in front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Following that, click on App Settings. Tap on Most Recent under App Notifications and select the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Now just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Gmail. You can switch them back on by choosing the same Now Gray switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!